Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set languages and voices to use for calls with specific phone numbers or contacts in Live Translate on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top. In the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Next, in here, we scroll down and then tap on Advanced Features. Next, tap on Advanced Intelligence. Then tap on Phone. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Language and Voice presets for each person. And then in here, tap on Add Number or Contact. And go down the list here, select a phone number or a contact that you want to set. So here I'm going to choose a different number and then select a phone number and then select which language that you would like to set for this particular person or contact. So let's say this person is Korean. So we're going to select Korean and then tap on OK. And that's it. So in here we can also set a voice for that person as well. So Fred, Bob, going to use voice number 1 or voice number 2.
통화를 번역할 때 이렇게 들립니다.
Okay, so tap on the back key. So we select the language and the voice for that particular contact. And you can then add in more contacts. So you can add in a different contact in here. And then you can assign a different language. So let's say this person is Italian. So you want to select an Italian language. And here you can choose a voice.
Ecco il risultato.
And then for you, you can select which language you want to use. So you can choose an English language, or if you're Korean, you can choose Korean. And that's it. So after that, you can tap on the back key, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.